it's Jay with iCar-stl.com, and today we're here with the 1995 Nissan Skyline GTS4 Type G. If you love 90s Japanese cars, hit that subscribe button. If you love this car, give us a thumbs up on it. We work with 3 different lenders that will help bring your dream car to your driveway. Each lender is listed on our website under the Financing Options tab. You can fill out an application online and have an approval in as little as 24 hours. Let's get started. Let's take a look at this beautiful 1995 Nissan Skyline. This is equipped with an RB25. It is a non-turbo. Power gets delivered through the automatic transmission. It is all-wheel drive. It is a 4-door sedan. Has 125,659 kilometers, which comes out to be about 78,000 miles. Timing belt was replaced at 105. It's got a sticker on the engine. It has 4 brand new Falken tires. Ice cold AC. Has original Skyline floor mats and comes with all the owner's manual and 2 sets of keys. Let's do a walk around. We'll take a look at the exterior, show you some flaws in the paint and body. Then we'll jump inside, show you some of the flaws in the interior, do a cold start for you, and we'll take it for a drive. Start up front. The paint on this car does shine. It does have some blemishes. Keep in mind it is a 1995, so it's got a mark there and just some rock chips and stuff on the front. Wheels seem to be in pretty good shape. It is equipped with an airbag. This mirror here shows some sun fade. And it is missing the vent here on the drivers. I'm going to try to locate one, but I cannot guarantee I'll be able to find one. It's got a scuff here. Don't know if you can see that. And then just some scuffs on the rocker panel. The roof is starting to show some fade. The rear bumper here, it's got scuffs. One there. Stock exhaust. Scuff there. Scuff there. Trunk has scratches there. There. Here. It does come with the rear wiper. That is factory equipped. Power antenna, but that does not currently work and I don't hear the motor go. It's got some clear coat here. Don't know if you can see that. This side has both. It's got a little bit of a rust bubble forming there and then some stains in the paint there. Looks like something spilled on it. A little bit of clear coat damage there by the antenna as well. No door dings or anything like that. It is fairly straight body. So this mirror has some scuffs on it, and then it is starting to get some sun fade. Not as bad as the other side though. Got a little bit of a rust bubble there. That could easily be fixed, sanded down, both spots, sanded down, primed, and repainted. You could probably have this whole car repainted for about $3 grand. It's got the Skyline badge. Got the GT badges. Pop the hood here for you. show you the Skyline floor mats. RB25, non-turbo, naturally aspirated. This is the timing belt sticker. Shows 105 and some change back in 2008. There is the chassis code plate. Take a look at the inside. Here are your manuals. Skyline floor mat up front. Skyline floor mat going across the back. Dashboard has mark here and some marks here. This is show the air conditioning works. Show some wear on the shifter. Show some wear on the boot of the emergency brake. And the steering wheel shows some wear, and there's a cover on it currently. Got some scratches there and there. Door panel looks good. All power windows work. Mirrors work. Radio works. The only thing that doesn't work is this display here does not light up. Back seat door panels. Seats are in good shape. No burn holes or stains. Front seat is the same way. Battery on this car is located in the trunk, and I'll show you that. It's got a little bit of fade there on that one. All the seat belts work. A little bit of pitting there. The door handle. Driver's seat. No cracks on the dash. Somebody did paint this, and it is starting to show some marks and wear on it. You can probably pull that off and have that repainted. Got a mark here. And let's open up the trunk. Trunk. It's a good sized trunk. It's got a little storage bin here. And the battery is located right there. It does have a trunk light in here. Skyline badge. Alright, let's do a cold start for you. Alright, cold start time. Mufflers are cold. Fires right up. Oil pressure. Air conditioning's working. 40 degrees, 38, a little bit below. See that kicks on. Does have a little power or snow for your traction. Show you that all the lights work. Blinker. Lights. Another blinker. Windows. I don't know if you can see that one. Close that door. Show you mirrors work. They are power folding. All right, let's take it for a drive. All right, let's take it for a drive here. First to second, third gear. She drives good, smooth. Shifts smooth. We were doing about 35. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We try to be upfront and honest about everything on these cars. So you can also email us at the email found on our website. We do take trade-ins, so if you have something you wanted to trade in towards this car, we can do that. The forms can be filled out online. Get up to about 60 here and see what happens. This concludes our video of the R33 Nissan Skyline. Thanks for watching.